Hello everybody, this is Cranky here. If you saw my last video and have stopped laughing, you see at the end that I mentioned this is the other lock that I got from the Orange store. This was £15. I'm not sure what that converts to in US dollars, but I don't believe it's going to be much more than about $15. So the security rating by Squire is only a 3. So it's for lockers and sheds. It is the LN4/2.5. So what are they saying? So Squire are saying it's hardened steel, die shackle. It's got a long shackle, 40mm wide solid brass body, 5-pin tumbler mechanism. So key-like ones are available. And yeah, so can't see anything else. So you can see the bit in there. So let's get this open. Hopefully I've not damaged these from the last video. Oops, sorry. You might want to turn it down or take your headphones out if you're wearing them. Sorry. In fact, let's use the knife that's going to lop off a finger one day, I'm sure. Right, let's have a look. While I'm doing all this, I just want to say a big welcome to all the new subscribers. Over the last couple of weeks, there's at least, 78 people subscribed. So thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Right, okay, so let's have a look. See what we can do with this one. Hopefully a bit easier than the last one. Okay. Let's get the old monkey paw. Right, so one. Try that again. That's 1, I think. 2 maybe. Little click there. Nothing on 3. Maybe 4. Oh, there we are. 5. That felt like a security pin, but I'm not sure. I'm saying all these words. Just going over the pins again. Back to the front. Keep dropping them. I think I'm putting too much tension on again. I'll click on one of them there. Bit of a turn there. I think I'm oversetting them. Let's try a different pig. Let's do an old Bosnian build trick. Use the rake and try and get the full set. Right. Oof, bang. That was a big one. Need a bit of persuading. Oof, so did that one. Oh God, I'm so heavy-handed today. I feel like I might have just gone in with a chainsaw and just smashed up the place. Let's try different. No. Okay. That's better. I'm not putting enough tension on them. Well, that was a pick then. There's always one. Where is it? That one's alright. That one's alright. That one's alright. Try again. Come on. It's gonna be another long one. Yes. At last. Woohoo! So that's a bit in again. So you've got these two low ones and then these higher ones, so could be reaching to the back is, no, oversetting that one. I think I'm probably getting that completely wrong, but there we are. No, just try that again. Yep. Finally. So there we are, nearly 10 minutes in. Thank you for all those that are still at the end. Thank you to those that jumped in the chapters and came to the end. And again, thank you everyone for all your subscribing, all your support, everything. It means the world to me. Please do comment. I do reply to the nice ones. Sometimes I reply sarcastically to the not so nice ones, but I think that's all they're after, so sometimes I just leave them to it. And yeah, so thank you everyone. Take care, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.